If you feel like you've tried a lot of different voice exercises and your voice still isn't changing the way that you want it to, trying more exercises is probably not what's going to get you there. Doom scrolling is kind of the name of the game these days, isn't it? A video pops up for you about voice training, you watch it, you save it, you say, I'm gonna do that exercise later. Eventually, maybe you come back to it and you try it, and maybe it helps a little bit and maybe it doesn't. And then you move on to the next video and the next exercise, and it just keeps on going and going and going. And you end up with a million different exercises that you could be doing, but nothing really sticks. So you're doing a lot, right? You're doing a lot of research, you're watching a lot of videos, you're collecting these exercises, but you're not actually building anything because you just have a collection. You don't have a program. You might be wondering, like, am I doing this right? Is this the right exercise for me? Should I be doing something else instead? So instead of focusing in and getting the results from whatever exercise it is, you're left just like questioning, like, is this really the right one for me? Because I know there's 3 million other exercises out there. So this is where you can get stuck. Here's the thing, voice change does not come from doing more and more different exercises. It comes from doing a few of the right things for you consistently and going deeper with them over time. But it's really easy to fall into the mindset that there is a quick fix and that the next exercise is going to be the one that makes the biggest difference for you. So when you're on this train of doing a lot of these different exercises, here are a few things that might be happening. First, there might not be enough repetition. When you try something once or twice, your voice doesn't have time to build coordination with that specific exercise or that thing you're trying to do and actually learn that new pattern. Secondly, there's no clear focus. So you might be working on pitch one day and resonance the next and something else the day after, and your voice won't know what to adapt to. Thirdly, there's no opportunity for progression there. You're not taking one skill and gradually integrating it into your real life day-to-day speech. You're just doing exercises. So instead of continuing doom scrolling and asking yourself, what exercise can I try next? Start asking yourself, how can I go deeper with what I'm already doing? So here is a simple way to approach this. Pick one or two exercises that target something specific. So maybe resonance would be a great thing to start with, or vocal weight. And you don't need to understand everything about voice science in order to get started. It's just good to have a general idea of what you're working on and why. So stay with these couple exercises for a full week and just really zero in on what that exercise is trying to drive at. Ask yourself, can I make this a little bit more consistent? Can I try this concept with lots of different sounds, lots of different words? And can I try to bring this concept into my day-to-day speech? Voice training is not about building a collection of voice exercises. You can have a little collection of something else. Stamps, coins, I don't know what people collect. Voice training is about building coordination. And this is the shift that actually gets results. So this idea of consistency and creating habits and getting to know your voice on a more intimate level is why I created the free 5-day voice discovery challenge. You're not going to be guessing what to practice, when to move on, or wondering what actually matters. So if you're interested in something step-by-step to follow, you can click the link below to join the challenge for free. Let me know how it's going for you down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.